Natalie Berth here. Please go back and read the disclaimer. This is a very concise mini review. This does not include everything that's going on here. And this review is for Jordan. Right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that this at the top here, her banner is is a lost space. It's not information that there's nothing listed here, right? So this is a lost opportunity to really engage someone with vibrant color, with a declarative statement that makes somebody want to work with her because they feel good and they're like, "Ooh, she gets me," for whatever reason, right? So whatever color scheme and ideas that she comes up with, color, design, uh, fonts, whatever, that can get carried into creating the graphics for the services section that kind of put what she offers into pictures. And then also, which she doesn't have listed here, the featured section where she can say, hey, this is how you reach me. Here's who I've worked with, or here's my ideal client, or if there's a portfolio or something like that. Okay. The other quick thing that I would say, and she has the opportunity to add a lot of graphics because she's got the paid version, the graphics to services will actually show up. The other thing is that this is too much information. You've got to remember. So if you're looking here, if you look on your own profile, you'll see on the right-hand side, there's only about the first 40 to 50 characters. I've counted many times, but it's about 40 to 50 characters where you have to engage someone when they're quickly looking at your profile to they have to be interested enough within the first 40 to 50 characters that they're going to click through and learn more about what you do, right? And so in her case, she's got policy analyst, policy researcher, foreign policy, public policy, right? There's a lot of stuff around her policy. She just could call herself like a policy expert, right? Or I don't know. I would have to work with her a little bit more to kind of get a better understanding of exactly what she does. But she can bring that, right? Is there a specific area of policy? If she's mostly, let's say, international, she's got international development, right? Is it we talking about international healthcare? Are we talking about whatever, right? So she can add that in there, but we'd have to clean this up because this is what the rest of your profile, her profile is for, where you can kind of get this information on here. If she's worried about these keywords that are not later on in her profile, she can always add them to the bottom of her about section. Okay, so a big thank you to Jordan for letting me review her profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I will tag you when I'm able to get to it. Thanks.